sell like Cinderella teens. You should see the things I finish inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all, this shit like ketamine. Been on one, been on two, been on everything. Bitch, I'm with my gang, with my squad. What the fuck you want? So be rolling gas, I can't hang, bitch, I'm fucking gone. I got people down from the jump, better know your bonds. I got people just tuning in, and the love is strong. Damn, they gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it, get it right back. Stack that internet money till the site crash. They on IG tryna get a light back. See, they don't talk that talk, they just type fast. Yeah, we real life, cool, it's really like that. I might roll an eighth inside the blunt, that's a nightcap. Like where my lighter at, boy, I got a flight to cash. Through these ups and these downs, with a guy and a dead thing changed. Don't forget where that sauce came from, best remember my name. You take L's ain't once in a while, gotta charge to the game. You gotta charge it to the game. Yeah, yeah. Through these ups and these downs, with a guy and a dead thing changed.
Brand new model.
Don't forget where that sauce came from, best remember my name.
Trying to see if this is.
I'm just trying to make my bread and feed the fam. These fuckboys need to grow up like Peter Pan. Sometimes I get so high I never land. Ain't no need to overthink it, I already understand. They be plotting on my downfall and need another plan. But we welcome all that hating, I'm like thank you, come again. Made a stack off the game and gave 100 to my man. I don't owe no money to him, I just did it cause I can. Yeah, round shit, we ain't on no clown shit. You a product of the people that you stick around with. Don't get caught up in the evil that'll have you down bad. Ain't no way around that, you gon' need a bounce back. Yeah, posted up with the people I came up with. Charge a couple else in the game, but I still love it. I keep it low key in order to stay above it. I make it all out of nothing. Yeah.
This is at least 50-inch here.
Through these ups and these downs with a guy and a dead thing change.
This is depth. Wow.
Forget where that sauce came from. Best remember my name.
Nice guy. Like these chips. Okay. So this is facing the inner courtyard. Nice garden there.
Best remember my name. You take L's ain't once in a while, gotta charge to the game. You gotta charge it to the game.
Very comfortable.
Yeah.
This is the one. I think this is the one. Okay. Wow. Look at this. Full vanity. Nice in there. Wow. Look at this full mirror here. You have a smart light above and below that. Rainfall shower head. Really nice textures. It's like a polished brass, polished brass, really nice. And this is the first time they have the inlaid nook, but they have the shelving built in there, and have these black tint accents. Again, this polished chrome little accents that really makes it stand out. Wow, this is like a queen size bed here, firm mattress, open shelving, one closet here. This is probably the best option in this budget range available right now. You have the under storage here, giving you more storage space. You see how the window doesn't go all the way down? That's what I was talking about. The older buildings seem to have floor to ceiling all the way, and this just goes partially. But you have the window here, you do have your screen that pulls out and retracts. Wow, that retracts into there. I haven't seen that detail ever. You got your sheer, you got your blackout curtains here. Again, really big bed here. Samsung digital inverter, air common, and into the primary. The flooring, you have that chevron pattern again. Really nice open shelving here on the side. And the bed is lifted up on its own platform with large storage space at the bottom. Nice big drawers there. flair hanging on the wall. Power outlets here and there. Or it could be potentially a desk. Very, very nice here. Really feels really cool there. This is a king size bed. Yeah, this is definitely a king size. And then you have your closet space here. All right. I would put something behind that. Really modern touches. Really large deep cabinet there. I love this orange gold happening there. That is really cool. Wow. And then the primary bedroom has its own unique style, using the lighter tones. Again, you have this brass, and you have the smart light fixture there.